today I'm going to share with you on how to reheat or recook your leftover rice vermicelli noodle. There are two ways. One is using microwave. You just add water into the microwave safe bowl, add your cold noodle in there, cook for 5 to 10 minutes or until the noodles are soft again. Then rinse it with water, and there you have it. The second way is using stove top. Bring water to boil and add your cold noodle in there using a chopstick or a spatula to stir or move them around, separate them, and about 5 to 10 minutes or so until the noodles are soft again. Rinse it under cold water, and voila, there you have it. It's that easy and fresh as you first made it. Thank you.